Hey guys, spot something familiar? Tender greens. I'm now home. I couldn't wait to get home so I can show you guys what I got. It's been forever since I've been to Rainbow. I think like maybe college or high school, or maybe like 2016, I would say might have been the last time. I want to try some stuff on that I got, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do the one I'm really anticipating the most. This skirt. I know holiday season is over. What am I thinking? Probably what you're asking, but I really think I can make this work. I'm thinking this is a graphic tee. So let's put it on. Okay. Let's try her on, but yeah. Okay, so I got this skirt. I'm making the look in my head. Okay, I don't know if I told you guys this, but I'm going out of town with my friends. We're going to go to the Future concert in DC. And so these are the looks I'm thinking about packing. If you're interested, just keep watching. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this in the vlog or if this will be a video on its own, but yeah. Guys, I like it. I know the skirt is a lot. I feel like it's giving me festival. So I'm thinking, feels like a Coachella vibe. And then the boots. I'm gonna wear it with some black boots. So these are the boots here. Let's see. Ooh, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna like it. All right, let's put one boot on. This, I like it. So this is one way I was thinking about wearing it. This is option one of wearing it. How do we feel about this? Do we love it? Do we hate it? Do we die? I like it. The boot is comfortable, good heel height. It has the elastic band in the back. I like this. I think it's me. I'm gonna try this other option. Alrighty, this next item is not from Ross, is not from Rainbow, but it is from PLT. But I'm thinking about packing this one, so I thought I'd show you. This is like that mesh, kind of like Zara vibe, but I'm thinking about keeping the same boots. And I've never worn anything like this. I don't really wear dresses. Here's this one. I don't have anyone to button up the back for me, but this is what the back looks like. It's like a diesel denim. And then with the boot covering the knee. This is a long dress. It goes all the way down. All the way down to like the ankles. I don't think I want to wear it like that. I think it just looks a little too conservative. I mean, I don't hate it, but I also don't think it flatters me well. I mean, it worn the regular way is fine, but I think I'm gonna probably wear it like maybe like that. And yeah, I think I'll likely wear it at that length. This is another option. Same boot. I could do either a black bag or a silver bag. Still covered up. This is with no shapewear. I think I like this. I think this is an option. What do we think? Do we like her? Yay, nay? I like it. This is an option. I like her. I think she's an option. What do we think? Guys, this next item that I have, I think this is a dupe for the Fits Everybody bodysuit from Skims. Look at this. I've paired it with a pair of jeans I have from Pretty Little Thing. This bodysuit is from Rainbow, but the pants are from PLT. I'm thinking about pairing the two together with this. Do we like that? See? Like, and some heels. What heels though? I don't know, I really like this bodysuit. I was really considering getting the Skims one because I saw it on Janae's page. Why buy that when I got this one for $9.99. And the sleeves are really long, super stretchy. I got this in a 2X. So yeah. And then the white, do we like it with the white? This bra isn't great, but so ignore. Or is it too hoochified? Do we like it? I don't know, I kind of like it. For some reason. I kind of am into it. What do you guys think? I don't know, I like it. Do we like this or am I forcing it? I like it. 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 Shoes, I don't know. I don't know, but this is this one. But the ultimate thing is, this is the bodysuit from Rainbow. I got the 2X. I was gonna get the 3X, but I'm like, it's stretchy and it should fit my arm because I got big arms. I like this. This is a dupe. And it's coming up way lighter on camera. It's more hot pink. It's a way more hot pink than what is coming up here. I like it. Okay, let's try on the next item. Okay, this next item, I feel like I could see the vision. I see where I'm trying to go with it, but I'm not sure. I feel like this top is giving Dion Lee. And I also don't have on the right bra. I would be wearing with a black bra. I just don't feel like changing. And I put it with these black denim pants I have. But I don't know. I think the black on black isn't gonna work. You see that though? It has these like, I don't know what these are. I like the look of that. I just don't know black on black is gonna give. I'm trying to see. I'm not seeing it. And maybe it's the black. It's because my breasts are sitting so low. This bra is a bad bra. I don't know. What do you guys think? Something about it isn't right. Let me try it on with the skirt. Okay, I switched it out and I just tucked my bra just right over the bra I have. Here's the look with the skirt. It's a cargo denim black skirt from PLT. I don't hate this, but I see this more dressed down with like some boots. I have these black boots. Hold on, let me see. Okay, we have 3 options. We could either go heel, my ultimate green boots, or these combat boots. I kind of like it with the combat. Honestly, either one could go. I'm gonna try on the heel because I don't really have any like heel option. I don't hate it. I didn't buckle them up or anything, but can you see that? My feet are ashy. I kind of like it. This is it with the green. I don't hate the green, but I also don't love it. Let's put one on one. I like it with the silver. Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture so I can send to my friend. But you can let me know. I like the silver. Don't we love this top though? Yeah. Okay, this is the other top that I showed you, like the black one. This is it in like that metallic pink, and I just kept it on with the skirt. I don't know if I like it like this. I think it's giving Hot Topic Dolls Kill. Okay, this is it in pink. I don't know if I like it with the black, but I do like this top though. I think it's just giving a little bit of fashion vibe. It's giving like I thought about it. I'm gonna try it on with my blue denim jeans. This is it with the blue denim, which I think looks way better. I like this. So I was thinking like this, and again, silver shoes. Love, like these a lot. And I think with a bra like this, it's okay because I don't hate it. I think this is an option, but I don't die. Yeah, ooh. My green boots tucked into my jeans. I don't know guys, I like it. this is that option. I'm gonna try it on with the boots tucked in. And let's see if we love that. Can you see that? I kinda like it. I kinda do. I'm trying to think, is it giving farmer? Is it giving doing too much? I feel like I kinda like it. One more thing I gotta show you, which is from Rainbow. It's another pair of wide calf fit. These chocolate boot. Again, love this heel. It's low, not too high. But yeah, guys, that's basically the end of this video. I tried on everything I got from there, plus the few pieces that I got from, along with a few pieces from PLT. Let me know how you guys feel about those, what you thought about what I showed you guys. Let me know which ones you liked. Let me know which ones you liked. Let me know if we were on the same page about the ones we didn't like or we didn't like the styling, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.